Here's a photograph of beautiful Skye, Scotland, to help give you a visual image of the inspiration of the Skye Boat song. I decided to arrange Skye Boat song as a barcarolle, a song imitating the Italian gondoliers gently rowing through the streets of Venice. So it's important to take the 6/8 meter to create the gentle movement of a boat sailing through calm waters. This gentle movement is highlighted in the following clip in yellow. For the most part, the right hand of this arrangement is written in two voices. Notice the blue highlighting. Notice the higher voice is notated with the stems pointing up. The lower voice is notated with the stems pointing down. As a general rule of thumb, try to give a bit more tone to the stem up part than the stem down part. What is important to notice in this clip is that measures 5 through 8 repeats the same melody as measures 1 through 4. If you compare the stem up parts, you will find they are virtually identical. But measures 5 through 8 adds new musical material. Notice the added dotted rhythms in the stem down part. This adding of musical material adds interest to the arrangement, making it more engaging and arresting. This clip presents the B section of this ABA composition. It contrasts itself with the A section in that the melody doesn't contain any dotted rhythms. The top line of this B section is in a different shade of purple than the bottom line to highlight the difference between the two lines. We can notice, just like the A section, the melody, the stem up part, repeats itself almost identically in each line. Also notice that the second line adds musical information, just like happened in the A section. Another thing to notice is that the second line is marked più piano, more softly, than the top line, which is marked MF, moderately loud. This added dynamic dimension adds to the contrast between the two lines of the B section. The return of the A section. On the return to the A section, I do not return to the barcarolle-like rhythm found in the initial statement of the theme in the A section. This return of the A section adds a new bass line to the main theme, the melody. It is changed to add variety and interest to the arrangement, again returning to that idea of adding musical information. More on the return of the A section. Seeing patterns in music is always an aid in learning a piece more quickly. It is also an important aid to memorization. There is an accompaniment pattern in this piece that moves from an interval of a seventh, marked in red, to an interval of a fifth, marked in green. This alternates throughout this repetition of the A section. Use this to help you learn and memorize this repetition of the A section. The final two clips of Skye Boat Song gives you an overview of the ABA form of this composition. The A sections are in shades of blue. The B section is in shades of yellow. Each section is divided into a darker and lighter shade to highlight the added musical information in the second line of each major section. Seeing the big picture of how an arrangement is organized is also another helpful tool to help you understand a musical composition. Notice,